PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 2nd of November. And, man, weather like this makes this job pretty simple. Let's look out the window. What a great scene there coming from Mount Cheehaw. Would love to be up there. Got the fall colors on the hillsides, sun going down. Back on standard time now. That sunset about 4:55 this afternoon. Love to be there. Love to be here. Gulf Shores. This is the time of the year where the sun goes down over the water. Ah, yes. Love it. Sky cam there from the campus of the University of Montevallo. Love the contrast between the fall colors down below and that deep blue cobalt sky above. Well, there we go. There's the water vapor satellite shot showing nothing of really serious interest around the entire nation. Much of the country dry. We do note that little disturbance in the southwestern Gulf. Temperatures, upper 60s, for the most part. Birmingham 69, Tuscaloosa 70. At 2 o'clock. In the QPF chart, nothing. Nary a drop. All the way from Jacksonville to Los Angeles. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Tropics, a little deal out in the middle of the Atlantic. That's fizzled out. And again, the system in the Bay of Campeche is not circled, but we'll keep an eye on that. And also the guys have a little area near the coast of Central America. But understand the water in the northern Gulf, it's way too cool. Anything that forms this time of the season have to be out there in the deep tropics, so certainly no impact here. Look at modeling, 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow at 500 millibars. Broad trough over the east, very dry air below. Another beautiful day. Temperatures might cool down a few degrees with a reinforcing surge of cooler air. Highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. Same thing Wednesday. Same thing Thursday. And the same thing Friday. And again, we note that disturbance down there in the southwestern Gulf still kind of hanging around. But obviously no impact here. What about the weekend? Fine weather. Ridging beginning to build here, so we might be up in the low 70s on Saturday if that's right. Of course, the air dry as a bone. Sunday looks great. So the weekend will be wonderful. Mild afternoons, cool mornings. Monday of next week, familiar look. We stay dry. Note a cold front coming at us there from the northwest. And then Tuesday, this is the 10th of November. Here we go. Pretty strong shortwave just off to the west. And that, if correct, would bring a chance of rain in here about a week from tomorrow. And again, that disturbance that's been over the Bay of Campeche, the GFS wants to move it up into the eastern Gulf. And again, the water's too cool up here for any tropical storm formation, but the moisture can certainly move up this way, and that might interact with that trough. So we'll see, but this is voodoo country. This is more than a week away, but that looks like the next chance of rain. And then on the 11th, that kind of sweeps off to the east, Wednesday of next week. End of the cycle, the 18th. Boy, look at that cold look. Ooh, what a vortex here north of the Great Lakes. Very, very cold air flooding down into the nation there. Strong cold front coming in here, and we'll see if that cold pop can make it as far south as Alabama at mid-month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.